Welcome to my world.
I suppose we can forget about having a nice, quiet evening.
That I love so. Tell me why in the world did you have to go?
I told him 1,000 times it's going to end in tears. You lie down with dogs, you're going to get up with fleas. Any fool ought to know that. Common sense is not so common. That'd be Voltaire.
All right.
Are you going to help me or not?
Are you going to help me or not?
And don't tell me any more of your stupid stories.
You just don't understand.
He doesn't work for anybody. The only reason for any of this is that he's a psycho and he gets off on it.
Now listen, I just can't. See, he put this little thing in my head, and all he has to do is push one little button and blow my head clean off.
There's nothing in your head.
Girl, you just said a mouthful. You get to running with the wrong crowd, wind up in the reformatory. No respect, no discipline, that's the problem. Family values have gone straight to hell. Now, for what we came. My brother here is tired of what's-her-name's face, and he wants a new one. It just happens to be he wants this face right here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, it does. Yes.
Touch me! Don't you ever touch me! If you're gonna kill me, then do it! I'm not gonna put up with any more of your crap. It's bullshit. Nobody believes any of it except your idiot girlfriend. It's fucking pathetic. Is it?
There is nothing to fear but fear itself.
I'm gonna leave, and no one is gonna stop me. You sit the fuck down and shut up.
Are we having a party or what?
Here we go. Bounce it down.